there.
Okay, so now I'm going to just demonstrate with the stick method. This would be this is great for cleanup, and it just saves you the using a glove, and basically you're just going to use the stick instead of your hand to apply it, and then flick it off.
Oh, you said that the art?
Yeah, I'm flicking it off, bud.
Oh yeah. That's how Daddy, you feel him hurt?
Cause he hurt.
That's that better?
Yeah.
But can I do it? Can I do it?
I'll let you do a different part, okay?
Okay. Why did I do this part though?
Because it's sensitive.
But I don't do hand leg.
Yeah, you can do a piece on the leg, okay?
Then can I do all the shade?
Yeah, you can move all my legs.
Oh, they say yes. They say yes. That's you, Dad.
You're welcome.
That's you, Dad. That you got so hurt that day. You fall and hurt and my dog on my bicycle. You got hurt on your toe too, Daddy.
Yeah.
You got hurt. Damn. Oh,
It's sticky over there?
You're right here.
It is. There's still a little bit of sugar on the skin. You gotta wash it off. You wanna go get a wash, Tyler?
No,
Get a wet rag?
I don't get the red shade.
Okay.
You wanna go jump in the pool?
Yeah,
Jump in the ocean?
the pool.
Maybe.
The cats in there.
The crabs are in the ocean?
Yeah,
We like them.
yeah. The big cat's so gay.
Yeah.
Ew! Are you almost better?
I'm almost all hairless on my chest.
Please see you did them better. The pizza you. Are almost done.
Almost done. You see any more hairs, Tyler?
Right there.
Let's see.
Right there. All day.
That's too much hair. We gotta do that some other time. No.
No.
Daddy doesn't like his legs done.
They
Okay.
use lasers. They them
Yeah.
right there.
Oh, under his leg.
What?
Okay. So you wanna try it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's try it now. That's you, Mom. Home toy. I'll do all day, right?
No, just do right here.
You supervise us.
I did
You
it.
did it.
That hurt, Daddy?
Uh-uh.
Okay, let me help you get it all back on, okay?
Oh, that's you, Mom.
Good job. Do a little more.
Right here?
No, that's sensitive.
Right here?
Yeah, that's good.
Don't. Shoot him down there. Right there. Oh, Dad.